friends, myself Naresh Agarwal and name of my company is Personal and Professional Development Programs. I'm a life skill coach. Dear friends, I'm going to talk something very special, a very special topic that is about goal setting, लक्ष्य निर्धारण. ये गोल क्या होता है, कैसे गोल सेट किए जाते हैं और कई बार जब हम गोल अचीव नहीं कर पाते हैं तो व्हाट टू डू, ये सारी चीजें हम कवर करने वाले हैं इस पूरे टॉपिक में. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई स्टार्ट माय स्टोरी विद लाइक दिस कि आपकी लाइफ में कभी ना कभी किसी ने आपको जरूर पूछा होगा कि आपकी लाइफ का गोल क्या है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम 90% पीपल गो ब्लैंक एंड दे डोंट नो व्हाट टू से. एंड सम पीपल से दैट आई हैव मल्टीपल गोल्स and other people say I have a goal but the plan and the strategy is not there. My dear friends, trust me, none of them is going to work because goals have a property that the goals have to be specific. आप सबने कभी ना कभी ओला यूज किया होगा या कोई भी एक उबर ओला आपने यूज किया होगा. वहां पे दो चीजें होती हैं, वन इज योर करंट पोजीशन, करंट लोकेशन एंड वन इज द डेस्टिनेशन. नाउ द डेस्टिनेशन इज कॉल्ड गोल. अगर आप अपने डेस्टिनेशन को फिल अप नहीं करोगे, the journey will not start, nothing will happen. Now that is the importance of goal. गोल का लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस होता है और आपने बहुत सारा बात सुना होगा, what is the goal, what is the aim. So goal and aim, they are connected with each other. अगर हम aim को थोड़ा सा elaborate करते हैं, AIM, A stand for ambition, I stand for in, M says mind. Ambition in mind, उसको बोलते हैं aim. So my dear friend, एक ऐसी चीज, एक ऐसा उद्देश्य जो आपको राउंड द क्लॉक 24/7 आपके दिमाग में चलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर एम एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड योर गोल. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वी ऑल लव गेम्स. व्हाई वी लव गेम्स? हम गेम इसलिए पसंद करते हैं क्योंकि गेम में चैलेंजेस होते हैं, स्ट्रेटेजी होती है, प्लानिंग होती है. देयर इज अ विनिंग एंड लूजिंग, इमोशंस आर कनेक्टेड विद द गेम. सो इट इज वेरी वेल सेड, नो एम नो गेम. अगर किसी की लाइफ में कोई एम नहीं है तो उसका रीजन क्या होगा उसका उठने का? Why that person will do anything in their life? There will be no thrill. So there is a reason to we have aim in the life. Now, we say aim your goal and goal your aim. सबसे पहले तो अपने उद्देश्य को, जो आपका गोल है, उसको फोकस करो. That is called aim your goal. And then achieve your aim. That is goal your aim. So we need to follow this process, and then and only then we will be able to achieve it. Now, once we have set our goal, and once we know that what is the aim of our life, now the question arises how to achieve it and what are the things we should keep in mind when we set a goal. So first of all, our goal, when we say and we set the goal, what are the things we keep in mind? जैसे कि आपने सबने सुना होगा कि there are smart goals, right? And smart has now become smarter. How? When I say smart, SMART, S means specific. Your goal should be specific. Your destination should be specific. कि आप क्या achieve करना चाहते हो. It can be in terms of your health. It can be in terms of your work. It can be in terms of your wealth, whatever. Then we talk about M. M means measurable. जो भी चीज हम करना चाहते हैं उसकी क्वांटिटी होती है. Quantity of work, quantity of money, that should be measurable. Then जो भी हमने गोल सेट किया है, that should be attainable. Means it should be realistic as well. वास्तविकता से उसका लेना देना होना चाहिए. And last is T. T means time bound. What gets measured get done. तो जो भी चीज हम एक टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर सेट करते हैं, it can be 1 month, 1 year, 5 years, it has to be there. Now this is the SMART goal. Now as I told you, it has become smarter. So E and R is a new addition to this. Now what is E? E stands for evaluation. जब भी हम गोल सेट करते हैं, we have to make sure from time to time हमको उसको evaluate करना है कि जो चीज जिस डायरेक्शन में, जिस स्पीड से हम अपने उद्देश्य की तरफ जा रहे हैं, क्या वो सही है, क्या हमें उसको रीअसेस करना है. That is called evaluation. And the last but not the least is the revise. Sometimes due to external forces, due to external reason, हो सकता है we need to make new planning, we need to make adjustment, and maybe in some cases we have to stop to follow it. We have to stop and abandon our goal because हो सकता है जब आपने उसको शुरू किया हो उस समय वो important हो, but अभी उसकी importance उतनी नहीं है. So we should set smarter goals. Number 1. Number 2, Whenever you set a goal, you make sure that the goals are written. क्योंकि जब गोल रिटर्न होते हैं देन वी हैव अ रीजन टू फॉलो इट, एंड जब भी हम डेविएट होते हैं, जब भी हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं, दैट रिटर्न गोल्स ऑलवेज ब्रिंग अस ऑन द ट्रैक. नाउ नंबर 3, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दुनिया में जो भी चीज सक्सेसफुल आज तक हुई है या किसी ने भी अगर कोई कीर्तिमान हासिल किया है, उसके पीछे रीजन होता है एक प्रोसेस का, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड इमेजिन, बिलीव, एक्ट एंड अचीव. नाउ व्हाट डज इट मीन? अगर आप कोई भी चीज लाइफ में करना चाहते हो, सबसे पहले उसका मेंटल पिक्चर बनाओ, दैट व्हाट यू वांट, व्हाट इज योर डेस्टिनेशन, आपका उद्देश्य क्या है, पहले उसको डिफाइन करो. Once you have done that thing, now you need to have a self belief. Yes, I can do it. And ये depend करेगा कि how much you are prepared for it and what is your action plan, what is your strategy. And the third is, as I told you, action. Action is the most important. अगर गूगल पे भी हमें कुछ सर्च करना हो ना, तो एंटर दबाना जरूरी होता है. And last but not the least is the step of achievement. So imagine, believe, act and achieve. This is the process if you want to do something in the life. Now if I talk about number 4, my dear friends, जब भी हम कोई काम करते हैं, जब भी हम कोई मकसद की तरफ अपने एक्शन लेते हैं ना, there is a cost involved. Now what do you mean by cost? Cost का मतलब क्या होता है? Cost can be money involved, cost can be time involved, cost can be resources. So जो भी चीज उसके अंदर इन्वॉल्व है, क्या हमने स्टार्ट करने से पहले उसको इवेल्युएट किया है कि नहीं किया है? अगेन दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कई बार क्या होता है कि पीपल हैव नॉट टेकन इनटू अकाउंट ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स, और जब वो शुरू करते हैं तो उनको लगता है कि बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, या इतना तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था. अगेन दैट इज द वन रीजन द पीपल डू नॉट अचीव व्हाट दे स्टार्ट विद. एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, एक बात याद रखना, people don't care what you say. People believe and people care what you do, what you have achieved, what you have fulfilled. That is what matters, because it do tagging for you as successful or failure. My dear friends, ये तो हो गए छोटे मोटे वो reason which we should keep when we set a goal. And again I want to say you that जैसे जमीन होती है ना, जमीन, land, some land are fertile, some are non-fertile. वैसे ही some goals are important and some are important. Now important goal वो होते हैं which will get the kick, and important goal वो होते हैं which are useless and which does not have any reason. So we need to make sure that जो भी हम goal set करते हैं, why should be very clear, that why we want to do it. Because जब भी आप लाइफ में डिस्ट्रैक्ट होंगे, जब भी आप लाइफ में क्विट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, दैट व्हाई, द बर्निंग डिजायर टू अचीव दैट गोल विल गिव यू द किक एंड द रीजन टू डू इट. सो दिस इज अबाउट फ्यू पॉइंट्स टू कीप इन माइंड जब आप गोल सेट करते हो. अब हम आते हैं अबाउट दोज पीपल हु से दैट दे स्टार्टेड बट दे कुड नॉट अचीव. नाउ हियर वी कम टू द रीजंस व्हाई इट इज सो कि वो गोल अचीव नहीं हुआ. First reason is about the fear of fail. Sometimes the people have got a fear of getting fail. I will come to this again in a very nice way. ये जो एक डर होता है कि अगर हम फेल हो गए तो क्या, people will laugh at us or people will tag you as a failure. That is the one reason that people get, fumbled, they get distracted on the way. So that fear is very, it becomes very much, dominant on their thought process. Sometimes the people have a mindset. The mindset is of two types. One mindset is a fixed mindset, one is a growth mindset. The people with a fixed mindset, they feel, मैंने कोशिश किया था, but it did not work. And they are the people who just say, चल ठीक ना छोड़ना, because they come in the comfort zone. But there is other breed, the other people, other type, they say growth minded. They are the people with the mindset of growth and they want to retry. Once you want to retry, we will talk about what to do. Now, what can be the third reason of failure? Sometimes people start multiple goals at a point of time. They start with the multiple things, multiple goals at a point of time, which are very much different from each other. In this case, nothing is going to work because the energy, resources, time, they all get distracted in different ways. So again, it doesn't work. Sometimes why is not clear. Means that burning desire to achieve it and to do it is not clear. and again the people, when the things get tough, they just leave it, and that is called sabotage. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि लोग जब सिचुएशन टफ होती है, at that point of time they quit it because they did not think about it, they did not plan for it, and the why was not very strong. Sometimes people just to impress others, they say, oh मैं ये कर दूंगा, मैं वो कर दूंगा, but actually they are not, they don't buy that goal. So again it does not work. So my dear friends, there can be multiple reasons of not doing the things. और एक चीज बहुत कॉमन देखी गई है, जब लोग जोश में होते हैं ना, जोश में they set big goals, पर जब होश आता है ना, reality, and the reality bites and they say, oh हमसे ना हो पाएगा. And again last but not the least, कई बार लोग भी टैगिंग कर देते हैं कि तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑफ योर लास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस, पीपल पुट अ टैग ऑन यू. सो देयर मे बी मल्टीपल रीजन फॉर फेलियर. नाउ हियर कम्स द बिग क्वेश्चन, if somebody is not able to achieve it, somebody is not able to do, what to do next? First, should we leave it status quo, means छोड़ दे उसको? Should we retry or should we bounce back? So three words are coming over here. One, the people with the fixed mindset, they may say कि छोड़ना, मैंने ट्राई किया था, नहीं हुआ, and they want to get sympathy from people around them, and they always have a blame game and excuse. So they are the people who will be in the status quo and they will not even do it again. There are some people who say, let's retry. Now when say the retry, again there is a big question. Do we need to retry with the same process, with the same system, with the same mentality, with the same everything? No. Because here comes a very big point. जब कोई इंसान को मल्टीपल डिजीजेस होती हैं and that person die, so to know what is the basic root cause for that death, they do autopsy. Autopsy means ये होता है कि they do clinical examination without emotions involved to know the basic root cause of that death, even though there were multiple reasons. Same is when sometime the person is not able to achieve the goal, here is the time to do a full autopsy of what went wrong. What is the factor due to which it did not work? It can be factor A, factor B, factor C. Or once you know the root cause, here comes the next point. Do you think that factor which you think is the root cause, क्या आप उसको handle कर सकते हो? क्या आप उसको जस्टिफाई कर सकते हो? क्या आप उसको मैनेज कर सकते हो? अगर आपको लगता है कि you can manage it into the given condition and the why to do is very clear, that why you want to do, here comes the best thing in the life, that is called bounce back. My dear friends, when we say fear and fail, they are very very much part of everybody's life. बच्चा बहुत बार गिरता है, but they never feel like failure. Fear itself says, F, face everything and rise. डर के आगे जीत है. वैसे ही fail itself says, first attempt in learning. लाइफ में कुछ भी करना हो, फेल को चखना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So that is what I am saying to you. Here comes the best thing, that is bounce back. So the people with the mindset of growth mindset, they bounce back. They bounce back, and now when they bounce back, they are more prepared, they have a better strategy, they have a better action plan, and they know very well that what went wrong. So my dear friends, here comes the point that in the life, if something did not work, still if you want to do it and your burning desire and the why is clear, you have a reason to bounce back, and that's the point that you can achieve whatever you want to do, and nobody can stop you at that point of time. So my dear friends, हम लोग बहुत सारे quotations पढ़ते हैं, and quotation के नीचे सबका नाम लिखा होता है. There is one thing very favorable to me, which I want that it should be with my name, and that quote I want to put it over here because the context is right now. My dear friends, through power and freedom to choose, take care. Take care to get what you like, or you will be forced to like what you get. So my dear friends, if you really want to do something in your life, set your goal, pen it down, make it your mission statement, and just go and get it. Instead of waiting for things to happen, go out and happen to it. And best of luck, and do share our videos and do subscribe our channel, and please, thank you.